Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x plus y equals f of x plus f of y minus xy. We want to find only f of x if f is continuous. Solution. So since f is continuous, suppose we define the derivative of y. So we are going to have f inverse of f prime of x plus y equals, so we have f prime of y minus x. So if I set our y here equals 0, so setting y equals 0, we have f prime of x equals f prime of y minus x. Then we have this already 0, so we just change this one to 0, and this is derivative of constant, that gives us 0. Then we just consider this as a constant, so therefore f prime of x equals, here becomes constant c minus x. Next, we have to take the integral of both sides. By integrating both sides, we have f of x equals, so integrating this, we have it as cx minus, this gives us x squared over 2. So what does this saying is, we got f of x that we need here by just considering differentiating and also integrating this to get the function f of x. So this is to show that this function is a quadratic. So for we have x squared here. Another dimensions, from the nature of the given question here, we have minus xy. That shows the product. So we can just solve this thing in another general way by assuming that the function here is a quadratic, but not always. And there are various ways of solving this as well, so we can just try and share it in the comment box. But let's try and look at this in a general format, not always equal. Assume that I set x equals 0 and y also equals 0. So here gives us f of 0 equals f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 0. So the whole of this gives us f of 0 will be equal to 0. So if f of 0 equals to 0, then we are going to need this by considering, if we let f of x that we need to be equals ax squared plus bx plus c. From what we showed above, that this function is a quadratic because of the product of x and y. And we start and be substituting. Since f of 0 equals 0, then we are going to have this c as a constant, that becomes 0. So we have f of x equals ax squared plus bx. And when we try to find f of x plus y, so we have f of x plus y equals a into bracket of x plus y squared plus b into bracket of x plus y. And with this, when we expand this out, we are going to have a into bracket of x plus y squared gives us x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, then plus b into bracket of x plus y. So I'm going to start this. And also, if we find f of x plus f of y, minus xy. So since it is only f of x that we need, similarly for f of y, this gives us ay squared plus by. And by placing f of x beside it, we have f of x equals ax squared plus bx. So we try and equate this together. For f of x plus y, we have it as ax squared plus 2axy plus ay squared plus bx plus by. So which this is equals f of x plus f of y minus xy. So where f of x is given as ax squared plus bx, and f of y, that is ay squared plus by, then minus xy. So something has cancelled something here. Here we have ax squared cancelled ax squared. We have ay squared cancelled ay squared. This is bx cancelled bx and by cancelled by. So we only have 2axy and minus xy at the two sides. So we try and replace this. We are going to equate this. We have 2axy equals minus xy. And we cancelled xy to get the value of the constant a. So we have 2axy equals minus xy. And with this, xy cancelled xy. So where we have 2a equals minus 1. And dividing both sides by 2. So 2 cancelled 2. And a equals minus 1 over 2. So if a equals minus 1 over 2, so this implies that our f of x, which gives us ax squared plus bx before, and a here has changed to minus 1 over 2, then x squared plus bx. Suppose I replace c with b. We are going to have f of x equals minus 1 over 2 x squared plus cx. So this is more of what we got initially. So initially we got cx minus 1 over 2 x squared. So these two are the same. So showing that this function is a quadratic, and this is how to solve it. So if you know another way of solving this, you can just look up it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.